I'm Dr. Robert Patrick Napoleon. I am an epidemiologist, and I'm going to talk to you about corona. Coronavirus is a new respiratory virus that has not been previously identified in humans. The viruses are a large family of viruses, some causing illnesses in people and other animals, including camels, cats, and bats. According to the World Health Organization, coronavirus originally emerged from an animal source, but it now seems to be spreading from person to person. People can catch the virus if they come in contact with the droplets of an infected person, if that person coughs or sneezes out. They can also catch it by touching surfaces where these droplets have fallen. Most people who are infected with the coronavirus or COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The youth should not think that they are immune to the virus, but they can also be infected at a severe level if they don't protect themselves. Corona presents with signs and symptoms such as follows. There is severe cough, there is fever, very high fever, there is shortness of breathing, or somebody finds it difficult to breathe, and there is very severe headache. If you develop any of these signs and symptoms, please call the Ministry of Health toll-free line 6666. Again, if you develop any of these signs, please call the Ministry of Health toll-free line 6666 and they'll take care of you. Now, after speaking about this one, you may ask yourself, how do we prevent ourselves from getting corona? Easy. 1. Wash hands frequently with soap and clean water. Avoid shaking hands. Avoid touching your eyes, your nose, your mouth, or your ears because the virus enters the body through these openings. Cover your mouth with tissue or handkerchief when you are coughing or when you are sneezing, or tissue, and dispose the tissue in a closed container. If you don't have a tissue, you can cough into your elbow, like that, and immediately wash your hands with soap and water. You should also avoid getting close to people. You should keep a distance of at least 2 meters from people so that you protect yourself from getting the corona. Another thing that you can do is avoid spitting in public, because this spitting will, if you have the corona, the droplets can spread to other people. Another thing that you can do is avoid going into crowded places so that if you have the virus, you don't spread it to others, or if you don't have the virus, you don't get it. You can also prevent it by wearing a mask like this. The mask protects you from getting the virus, or if you have the virus, it prevents you from spreading it to other people. You can wear a medical mask, or you can wear any cloth mask. And last thing that you can do is to stay at home. Staying at home protects you from being exposed to the droplets outside there, or if you have the virus, it can prevent you from spreading it to other people. While you're staying at home, monitor yourself for fever, for headache, for cough, for tiredness and shortness of breathing. If you develop any of these signs, call the Ministry of Health toll-free line 6666.